So how to create a YouTube channel? First go to youtube.com. Then sign in by using your Gmail account. If you don't have any Gmail account, then go to gmail.com, and here you can create a new Gmail account by clicking on this button. But if you already have a Gmail account, then I am going straight into this video. So after going to youtube.com, you need to sign in by using your Gmail account. After logging into your Gmail account, you will see your profile picture over here. If you haven't uploaded it, it will show you the initial character of your name. Click on this profile icon over here. Click on settings. And here you will find an option add or manage your channels or create a new channel. You just need to click on this and then click on create a channel. Here you have to put your channel name. After that you need to click on this I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings. Click create. Here you can see we have created a new YouTube channel. That is it for today, guys. If you want to stay updated with the latest tech videos, that how to do that and how to do this, you can comment down below, and please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.